Workflow Nag Alerts are a great tool for priority task management and can be enabled by any admin. If you would like to enable Nag Alerts that automatically email users when a particular task has not been completed, you'll first want to click Admin. Click Maintenance. Click Workflow Maintenance. Find the workflow you want the Nag Alerts to populate from. In this example, we will enable Workflow Alerts. Find Click Edit. You have 3 different workflows to choose from: Engineering Review, Purchasing Review, and Sales Editing. In this example, we will enable Nag Alerts for Engineering Review. You can choose either certain users that the workflow can be initially assigned to, or a certain role. For this example, user John will be sent our task for Engineering Review. If you choose the role, any user with that role will be able to receive the workflow assignment. Once you have either of these defined, click Submit. Now we are going to enable the Nag Alerts. Click Enable Priority/Nag Alerts. Click Submit. There are 3 different priority levels, each with its own escalation time of your choosing. For each priority, if the user has not completed the task after a set number of minutes, Cetec will escalate, i.e. send a Nag email to the users that you have selected in the Escalate to list. Enter the escalation time in minutes and repeat the process for priority 2 and 3 if you choose to do so. Once you have finished editing your priority levels, click Submit. Now let's try to put this into action. Navigate to a quote. Once on the quote screen, select the workflow drop-down from the top right corner of the screen. Before sending the quote via the workflow, you'll want to set the priority first. Select 1. Click Set. Once that has been set, you now can send this quote to Engineering Review to the users that we have defined in our workflow maintenance earlier. Click to Engineering Review. You'll notice that the workflow now is showing the threshold of time that the user has to complete the task. Once the threshold of time has been hit, the workflow tool will turn red and the Nag Alert email will be sent.